Hi, I am Pradipta Kumar Dutta from Kolkata. I studied in South Point High School, completed my class 10 boards examination in 2007 and my class 12 boards examination from the same school in 2009. I completed my graduations actually in 2013 as a b.tech in electronics and communication engineering from Narula Institute of Technology. Then in the same year, in October 2013, I joined Tech Mahindra Limited as a software engineer, worked there for 3 years and 10 months, almost 4 years, and left the job in 2017 in the month of August. I joined and took admission as a student of MBA in International Business in Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Kolkata campus in the year 2016. And very recently in 2019, March 2019, I completed and passed out from Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Kolkata campus as a student of MBA in International Business. My career in teaching started after I left the job in Tech Mahindra Limited, that is after August 2017. Some of my friends had their own coaching center. I went there just to teach if there was a requirement of a teacher. It was not a very professional affair. However, I taught there out of my interest. So I started teaching mathematics. Usually every subject, I taught almost every subject to the students of junior classes, that is still class 8. And so I started teaching my distant relatives also. And recently, after completion of my MBA in International Business, I joined Gurusiksha on 1st April 2019. However, if calculating my experience as a teacher started from 2017 only. So you can say that I am having almost 2 years of experience as a teacher. But Gurusiksha I have joined from April 1, 2019. And I'm really enjoying here. If I am not wrong, if I am right, my students also enjoy my teachings. I teach mathematics and all the other subjects to the junior classes, students of junior classes, that is still class 8. From class 9 onwards, I only teach mathematics, prefer to teach mathematics only. I don't really teach other subjects if not required. And really, I think, yes, I am also having a great time here. Thank you so much.